Welcome students. This is for 6th semester B Pharmacy students. Especially this is made for cosmetics in herbal drug technology. And it's an interesting topic. And I have to discuss about the question papers which I have discussed in the classroom. But this class is more useful for 8th semester students also who are doing projects in cosmetics. They can have an idea which are available in our home used as in cosmetics. So when they are taking some projects, they can know that how it can be used and what for its therapeutic or the cosmetic activity towards skin, hair and oral cavities. So these all things can be easily understood. I have given a brief idea so that it will be more helpful for the students. And generally it's necessary for a pharmacist and also a clinical person should know. And dentistry students actually, BDS students, it will be useful for you to know about even dermatology, to just a brief idea about the herbs and which all used as a cosmetics. So here in this herbal drug technology for the pharmacy students, I have given this chapter taken from KUHAS and as well as Pharmacy Council of India. Chapter number 4, they have given a detail and the questions are also asked repeatedly. So you should be ready for 10 mark and 5 mark questions and 2 mark questions. How we can answer if you know at least some extent of reference, not only depending on my own lecture, you can just see it in internet and make it more wider. References will helpful for you. In this chapter you can see drug, that is especially herbal cosmetics, sources and description of raw materials of herbal origin used in herbal cosmetics such as fixed oils, almond oil, arachis oil, castor oil, olive oil, coconut oil. Separately they are asking questions. Waxes, beeswax, carnauba wax, paraffin wax, spermaceti, gums like guar gum, sodium alginate, tragaganth, colors, cochineal, saffron, indigo, henna, perfumes like rose oil, jasmine oil, lavender oil, protective agents like neem, cucumber, aloe, bleaching agents like lemon, turmeric, and antioxidants like green tea, sesame oil in products such as skin care, hair care and oral hygiene products. So this is what they have given. Herbal excipients also second chapter. In a chapter or a topic they told us to teach the student that the objective main to significance of the substance of natural origin as excipients, colorants, sweeteners, binders, diluents, viscosity binders, disintegrants, flavors and perfumes, herbal formulations including even tablets, conventional herbal formulation like syrup, mixtures and tablets, and novel drug delivery system like phytosomes including nanoparticles and encapsulation. These all things can be included in this herbal formulation also. So it's very important, not only the theoretical knowledge which you studied in the, which I have taken already 6th semester about the laws and rules and various alternative medicines. Apart from that, this is also a very major important chapter. So you see that in KUHAS question, Since May 2021, in June, in the unit number 4 of herbal drug technology for the 6th semester student, explain bleaching agents used in skincare products. 5-mark question they have asked in June 2021. Kindly subscribe my channel, and also I would like to inform you, write down the questions also, write down the lecture clearly and submit. Repeatedly I am telling the students, you will not fail, you will pass 100% right. Sure, if you just listen and write, your brain will remember all the things which are needed, because it's a very simple general knowledge what we are using in the home, normal life. So when you study a very simple matter, once your brain is triggered by that particular words and the lesson behind, if you listen, you can write it, because you have to write it. You can write it in English. When you listen particular lecture in the particular language, it's possible for you to write in the same language. So kindly listen to that and write down, so that 3 types of reading and writing, listening, you will succeed in your academic. So this is a bleaching agent they have asked. 5-mark question. Explain excipients. 5-mark question in May 2021. Write 2 natural perfumes, give its sources. 2-mark question, May 2021. Explain hair care products. 5-mark question, June 2022. Explain flavors and perfumes as excipients. 5 marks question, June 2022. Explain viscosity binders. 2-mark question in January 2022. Mention the antioxidants used in an oral hygiene products. 2-mark question, January 2022. And explain the various natural excipients used in cosmetics. 10-mark question. So that you can write and explain completely whatever you know about whatever you studied, whatever I have streamlined. You can write the examples with the natural sources, what's its demerits and demerits. 10-mark question in May 2022. Explain skincare product used in herbal cosmetics. 5-mark question in May 2022. Name 2 examples each from natural colors and perfumes. 2-mark question, May 2022. And you can see that discuss on any 2 natural protective agents used in formulative products, cosmetics, herbal cosmetics. 5-mark question in December 2022. Explain the method of preparation of herbal syrups and mixtures. 5-mark question in December 2022. Explain few natural colorants in herbal products. 2-mark question in December 2022. Sweeteners, sweetening agents as an excipients from nature. 2-mark question, December 2022. Explain herbal excipients. 5-mark question in July 2023. And explain the method of preparation of herbal tablets. So you can write, as I told in the classroom, you can write about the wet granulation, dry granulation, direct compression method, whichever you studied in formulation and development course can be applicable for the herbal also. You can incorporate the herbal ingredients, and it is possible the procedure will be the same, instruments will be the same, which can be used, and the evaluation will be the same. 5-mark question as asked in July 2023. Explain the bleaching agent, again repeated question, used in skincare product. 5-mark question in October 2023. Explain the cosmetic uses of henna and aloe. 2-mark question in October 2023. Give a detailed account of protective bleaching agent used in herbal preparation, herbal formulation, herbal cosmetics. 10-mark question. So it's necessary for you to not only writing about the bleaching agent, protective agent, and you should write about the herbal cosmetics. Used in herbal cosmetics means 10-mark question in February 2024. So explain the role of natural sweeteners used in herbal cosmetics. 5-mark question, February 2024. Explain briefly herbal mixtures with an example. 5-mark question, February 2024. What are phytosomes? You should write about phytosomes, 2-mark question, February 2024. It's also very interesting novel formulation, new formulations which can be formed by an matrix and as well as the release of the drug, which can be used for transdermal and many other preparations which can be used phytosomes. And next, how you prepare also we should know. Give a detailed account of color and perfume used in herbal cosmetics, 10-mark question. Color and perfumes itself they are asking 10-mark question, May 2024. Explain briefly herbal tablets with an example, 5-mark question in May 2024. Viscosity binders used in herbal cosmetics, 2-mark question, May 2024. So when we come to herbal cosmetics, which I have told it is very important for even the 8th semester student, research student also, and also general idea you should know. What is herbal cosmetics? That is cosmeceuticals. Pharmaceuticals, it is cosmeceuticals. When you say cosmetics, usually it is not, there are internal use cosmetics also available, but usually they are externally cosmeceuticals. In the fastest growing segment of personal care products, these are cosmetic products which contain biological active principles or ingredients of plant origin. So you can see that there is an increased demand and use of natural substances in cosmetics. In recent years, due to their mild action and non-toxic in nature, in many cases they are found to be quite effective. So to study the function and the efficacy of the plant-derived ingredients for their uses in cosmetics, a few branch of science is developed is known as a new branch of science is developed is known as cosmetic phytognosy. Phytognosy, cosmetic phytognosy, which deals with biochemical and physicochemical properties of plant derived ingredients to be used in cosmetics. Basically, 6 different types of plant derived ingredients are used in herbal cosmetics, which are as follows. If suppose asked a question about drug, write about herbal cosmetics. How the plants are used, you should know that. They are used in fresh material, sometimes they are used as dry materials, sometimes they are used in acellular products like oils, resins, gums by unorganized drug, derived drugs, and galenical preparation, infusion, decoction, extracts also used in preparation of herbal cosmetics, and proceeded with extracts, and pure isolated compounds are also used. So 6 type of compounds can be selected for usage or preparation of herbal cosmetics. Advantages of herbal cosmetics over synthetic cosmetics. So when you want to say that advantage, merits, so see here, herbal cosmetics are popular nowadays and are preferred over chemicals, as these products, herbal products, provide nutrients to the body, enhance health, and are free from synthetic chemicals and have no side effect as compared to the systemic or synthetic, not systemic, synthetic cosmetics. We know that we cannot say it is completely void from toxicity or adverse action. Maybe sometimes if you mix it with the treatments, the advantages of using the natural cosmetics which may then make them a better choice over the synthetic one are. Why? One is nature is nature always. We love nature. We believe in nature. Nature is the only thing which can trust, and also it can nature when you doesn't harm, it doesn't harm you. We are believing in the nature. you know. So nature is nature. Second one, you can see safe to use in comparison with other cosmetics. Varieties of products are available starting from kajol, face cream, what all things, serum, everything is available. Variety of products are available, even lipsticks. Compatible with body, they are very compatible with body, affordable and non-expensive, or you can say less expense, and no side effect. So these are the points which makes them to be used in better. We can see the category of three pictures which I have shown here. One is for skin, one is for hair, and one is for dental. So these all are, we can make it. But other things are also available, coloring. You can see here skin, hair, and others. When you categorize into three, one is for skin, skin cleaners are available, moisturizers, nourishers, antiseptic, soothing agents, sunscreens, anti-wrinkling or anti-aging. So you see there are many other products, but at least you should know that what all the products herbal cosmetics have in skin care. When you see anti-acne, acne is one of the issue for the children or for the females. So anti-acne products are also there. So when you come to hair care, detergents, conditioners, nourishers, hair colorants, hair growth promoters, anti-drafts, many creams, lotions, shampoos, others, colors, perfumes, talc powders, and oral care products. So you see, this classification should be written when they are asking 10 mark question about herbal cosmetics. You should know that skin, hair, and others in which we can have oral care products are more dominating along with the perfumes. So this type of category we can make. First we can explain about the skin care products simply for 5 mark question if they ask. Skin, detailing we can see some examples also. Skin is constantly exposed to dirt, microbes, irritants, radiations and toxins. These are all the things which we are always exposed by the skin, which can affect the skin in many ways. Hence, to protect the skin, cleanse it and restore the tone, soothe it, and prevent tanning. Tanning is one of the color darkening, scars, wrinkle, and scar formation. Various preparations are used which are enlisted as follows. Number 1, skin cleaners, milk, cucumber, citrus peel, aloe. You are using, females will be knowing, you are using in the home. You can write the examples. Moistures, aloe vera, neem, almond oil, rose. Nourishers, honey, carrot, peach, wheat germ oil. This is peach, we know that, and this is wheat germ oil. I just shown the picture. Antiseptics for the skin. Example, neem, turmeric, tulsi, lavender oil. Lavender oil picture just here because tulsi, turmeric, all which we know. Soothing agents, emollient, sesame oil, almond oil, aloe vera. These all can be used. Sunscreens. Example, aloe vera is a sunscreen, sun's protective, UV light protective. Chamomile, calendula, cucumber. calendula, chamomile is our garden plant. In our home we will have indoor garden. Anti-wrinkle and anti-aging. Example, peach, licorice, papaya, aloe vera, apricot, you can see apricot dried fruits is available. Turmeric, it can be used as an anti-wrinkle and anti-aging. Anti-acne, example cucumber gel and vetiver. Vetiver is also very common cultivation now, having high utility for anti-acne preparations of various herbal industries. Hair care products, when we talk about the second hair care product, we can say that is hair complexion, color, style play an important role in the people's physical appearance. Very important. Hair, how? Now what's the color? How it appears. So hair care preparations are applied topically to the scalp and the hair. These contain ingredients either clean, conditioning or nourishing the hair or prevent dandruff formation. The following are the various care preparation. Number one, you can see detergents, soap nuts, shikakai, Rita, shikakai. You said it's an acacia plant like pots, very good frothing will come. They are the example for shikakai and Rita. Conditioners, henna, we know henna, amla, hibiscus, rosemary and tea. Rita soap berry, just I want to show that plant details. Also sometimes referred to as washing nuts containing saponin, which have ability to clean and wash when it is contact with water. It creates a mild suds or soots, you can say soots, not suds. Soots means actually making foam when it is added with water, which is similar to soap. It works effectively to removing or by removing dirts and dissolving oils from clothes and other surface. So it can be used for the face, skin. Tea tree conditioners are available. Rita soap packets are available. Tea hair conditioners. This is the Rita nut. Soap nuts can also be used. Nourishers, example, Brahmi. Brahmi, actually there is two types of Brahmis are there. Centrala asiatica, it's a runner, heart-shaped leaf which we have seen normally in our home and side by areas. Another Brahmi is there which is called, even Malayalam it can be called as Neer Brahmi. That is, again, it is more useful for Alzheimer, memory loss. This all can be used that one. So two Brahmis are there. I am just explaining only one Brahmi here, and another place I will use to made into two ways. So students should remember what is this Brahmi. Brahmi, Bringraj, eggs, coconut oil, sesame oil. Brahmi, this is that, in Malayalam it is called Bacoba moniri. Bacoba moniri or monnairi. This monnairi is species is actually, it is used for more, even in the skin also. Hair nourishments, it can be used, but it's more used in memory loss. Brahmi in Malayalam, Brinraj, scientific name Eclipta prostara. Eclipta prostara. Family Asteraceae. It is actually in Tamil it is called Karisalankanni. In Malayalam it is called Kayoni. Kayoni. And hair colorant henna, we know henna. Meridani, or you can say it is henna. And hair growth promoters like Brahmi, Amla, hibiscus, coconut oil, sesame oil, anti-dandruff, soap nuts, shikakai, lemon, thyme. Thyme is same variety like mentha. Its dried thyme is available. Actually in Malayalam, tota tulasi. And thyme is any number of genus thymus of aromatic perennial evergreen herb in the mint family Lamiaceae. And other cosmetics like color, these are used to prepare various cosmetic products like lipsticks, nail polish, eye products. The color which is used, purple color, can be taken from the cauliflower containing anthocyanins. Anthocyanins, saffron, turmeric, carotenoids, indigo, capsicum, chlorophyll, these all used as a coloring agent. Perfumes in volatile oil you have studied in more detail. Volatile oil of the substance like rose oil, lavender, jasmine, sandalwood oil. Talc powder or talcum powder, face powders are available. External itching powders are available. It contains talc added with the plant extract to impart desired flavor and odor. Example, sandalwood, rose, jasmine, lavender, etc. So now oral care products. When you talk about oral care products like toothpaste, powder, mouthwashes, mouth fresheners, etc., various herbs are there, extracts are incorporated into these preparations in order to achieve antimicrobial, antiseptic, anti-plague, anti-inflammatory and mouth freshening properties. Example, neem, mentha, chamomile, sage, myrrh, nutmeg, citosan, calendula, rosemary. These all flowers. Only citosan, which is mentioned there, is a semi-synthetic material which is prepared from the chitin. So the student should know what is chitin, where it is present, what is its application. As a pharmacist, it is needed to know. Others are flower name. What is citosan? What is citizen? This is a semi-synthetic material obtained from deacetylation of chitin. So, chitin is a natural product which has been deacetylated and is compared or comprised to glucosamine. You know about cosmetics, how the glucosamine nowadays injected, nowadays used for external use, it has more application. So, of glucosamine, deacetylated monomer and N-acetyl glucosamine, acetylated monomer linked with through beta 4 glucosidic bond. So it's become a glycoside, it's more useful, citosan. So far the main commercial source for chitin, the student should know, from crab and shrimp shells. The industry processing citizen is extracted by acid treated to dissolve the calcium carbonate followed by alkaline solution to dissolve protein. You can see the picture. There is a glycosidyl linkage as shown, glucosamine. Amine group is there, cytosine. From cytin, it is formed as acylated. You can see it is from mushrooms, asparagus niger, squat pen, lobster waste, out cells, prawn waste, crab waste, the shells will contain this chitin. And this chitin or chitin is converted into chitosan. So some of the important examples of raw materials of herbal origin used in skincare in detail when 10 mark question you should know. So what are they? The student should remember at least the names which you are using. Once you write and study, you will never forget. In skincare, coconut oil, sunflower oil, olive oil, aloe vera, carrot, ginkgo, neem, green tea, calendula, turmeric, avocado, almond, sandalwood, saffron. So you can remember all these 14 and write down what you know about that. I'll give some explanation. If you remember, you can write that. You are achieving the answer. To get success, you should listen, you should make hints and elaborate by means of your knowledge what you come across. Some of the important examples of raw materials, what you have discussed the name. Number one, coconut oil. It is obtained from dried kernel of the fruit of seeds of coconut palm tree, Cocos nucifera. Family Araceae, which contain about 60 to 65% of oil. Coconut oil contain a high amount of glycerides of lower chain fatty acids. The melting point of coconut oil is low, that is 24 to 25 degrees centigrade, and can be used easily in the liquid or a solid form, and it mostly used in cooking and baking. Coconut oil is used as a skin moisturizer and softener. Sunflower oil. It is a non-volatile oil extracted or a fixed oil extracted from sunflower seeds obtained from Helianthus or Helianthus manus family Astraceae. It contains lecithin, tocopherol, carotenoids and waxes. Olive oil. This oil is a fixed oil extracted from the fruits of Olea europea. Family Oleaceae. It is used as skin and hair conditioner in cosmetics like lotions, shampoos, etc. Aloe vera. Very interesting. Aloe vera is a herbal plant species belonging to Liliaceae family. It is an ingredient in many cosmetics as it heals, moisturizes and softens the skin. Aloe vera contains amino acids like leucine, isoleucine, saponin glycosides that provides cleansing action. Vitamin A, C, E, B, choline, B12 and folic acid, and provided antioxidant activity. Interesting herbal. Carrot. It is obtained from the plant Dacus carota belonging to the family Apiaceae. It is rich in vitamin A. Carrot seed oil is used as anti-aging revitalizing the skin and rejuvenating agent. Ginkgo, the leaves and the nuts of the Ginkgo biloba trees have been used as an antioxidant, an anti-inflammatory agent. Ginkgo biloba belongs to the family Ginkgoaceae and has significant antifungal antibiotic effect. Neem belongs to the family Meliaceae. It's an antifungal, antibacterial and pain relieving properties. Green tea, it is obtained from the plant Camellia sinensis, inhibited two-stage chemical carcinogenesis. Calendula officinalis, a flower, has a remarkable antioxidant activity, anti-inflammatory activity and wound healing activity. Turmeric, it is a deep yellow to orange powder that comes from under the stem of Curcuma longa of the family Gingiberaceae. It is used as an antiseptic, analgesic and anti-inflammatory antioxidant. Avocados. The avocado oil has a rare vitamin D which can nourish the skin. The oil can penetrate through the dermis and epidermis effectively to regenerate the skin to within, which is dried. It can regenerate within the skin area. The almond oil is one of the safest oil that can be used in cosmetics products as it causes less acidic reaction than other oil. The oil has been used for skin protection. It causes less acidic protection against the dry and hot climate conditions. In hot climate conditions, it protects. It whitens the skin and it is used in fairness creams. Sandalwood is used to freshen and refresh dull skin. Sandalwood paste is used to heal skin problems and provide a glow to the skin. Sandalwood is also used for face pack and scrubs. Saffron helps in cleaning of skin. It is used in cosmetics, in protection of fairness creams, cleaners and anti-blemish lotion. So that's what about the skin. Now we are coming to the hair care. Cosmetics for hair care. This includes various preparations like hair preparations, shampoos, rinse conditioners, oil scalp, hair tonic, hair dressing, fixatives, hair fixatives, bleachers, and you can see depletatories. Depletatories means to remove, hair removers. Depletators means remove hair from the skin. They are all the products. What are the herbal products, natural plant products which we are using? Some of the important examples of raw materials of herbal origin used in hair care products are amla, almond oil, shikakai, henna, neem, brahmi, brinjraj, gurhal, basil oil, jojoba oil, methi, rose oil, sage oil, we are going to explain in small briefly. Short form. Amla. It is obtained from the plant Amlica officinalis, family Euphorbiaceae. Amla is rich in vitamin C, tannins and minerals such as phosphorus, iron and calcium, which provides nutrition to hair and also causes darkening of hair. Almond oil. The almond oil is obtained from Prunus dulcis, but we know that it is a soft oil. The almond oil contains about 78% of fat. It contains very small amount of unsaturated omega-3 essential fatty acid. It stimulates thickener hair growth and prevents premature graying of hair. Shikkai, we have seen already before itself in the skin product. It is obtained from the plant of Acacia consinana, Lin is a scientist name, Leguminosae. The fruit of this plant are used for washing hair, for improving hair growth, and also as an expectorant, emetic and purgative. Henna. Henna comes from the plant Lomia inermis family, belongs to the family Litraceae, which contain a dye molecule known as lavsone, which when proceeded produces henna powder. It is used in coloring hair and also as anti-dandruff properties. Neem. Neem is commonly used in the treatment of dandruff and produces antifungal and antibacterial effect. Brahmi. Brahmi, I told you, we have another Brahmi also we have, which we discussed in the one which is used for Alzheimer's disease, for memory and also for memory for kids, children. This is also same but it is different. Cinderella asiatica family. This we have commonly. Apiaceae, Umbelliferaceae, previous family. Now it is Apiaceae. It is a creeping herb. That one is a small shrub, plant, watery plant. It is called even water brahmi or near brahmi. It is a creeping herb found in wet, damp and marshy places in North India. Brahmi contains essential oil, sterol, flavanol, glycosides and triterpenoid saponins. Brahmi oil is used in hair care formulation. It delays graying of hairs. This is the leaf, interesting leaf which we can see available. Cinderella asiatica is commonly known as Brahmi and belongs to Apiaceae family, which was formerly known to be the Umbelliferaceae family. And you can see this is Muttil, Mudangal, Vallare, actually it is called in Tamil Vallare Kirai. Malayalam it is Neer Brahmi, that one, not this one. And this is Bringraj. Bringraj we have seen Bringraj. Scientific name is Eclipta prostrata. We are coming again. This is 2 times we are studying this plant. Again we have shown in the skin also. Family Asteraceae. Karisalanganni in Tamil. In Malayalam, Kayoni. Brindraj, Eclipta alba Lent family Asteraceae is an annual and perennial plant found in moist place throughout India. Brindraj mainly contain alkaloid, ecliptin, glycosides, amyrin, triterpenic acid and steroids, eclablastosaponin. Brahmi oil is very good hair tonic and used in hair formulation of health, black and long hair. Here, not Brahmi oil. This is Brenji oil. The spelling mistake. This is about Brenjraj. We cannot write here Brahmi oil. You should write Brenj oil. Brenj or that spelling Brahmi oil here written. This is we are talking about Brenjraj. Brenjraj oil is good for hair tonic and used for hair formulation in healthy black hair. Gurhal is Hibiscus rosa sinensis, family Malvaceae, a popular Indian garden plant. Everybody knows flower everywhere, Chambarti, and it has many varieties also. Red color is the original one. That is the Hibiscus rosa sinensis, which was taken as a first study for botany when we studied in +2. It contains beta-sitosterol, camphosterol, sitosterol, cholesterol, ergosterol, flavonoids and flavonoid glycosides, lipids, citric and oleic acid. Hibiscus petal stimulates thickener hair growth and prevent premature graying of hair loss and also hair loss and scalp disorders. Petals extract act as a natural hair conditioner and used in hair washes. You know very well that flower is having lots of medicinal value. Even it extracts some cardiac activity which relieves from various blocks in the vascular system. It has many medicinal uses. So we should know this Hibiscus rosa sinensis is a medicinal plant. Now, when we come to basil oil, number 9 is basil oil. Basil oil is Osimum xanthemum family Labiatae. It is obtained from the leaves and flowering of Osimum xanthatum. By steam distillation method, it can be removed the oil. The basil oil, actually basil oil is like mentha, same variety. Basil oil contain 1,8-cineol, linalool, methyl cavicol, eugenol and methyl cinnamate. Basil oil stimulates and promotes hair. Jojoba oil. Seminotia, that means actually Seminotia chinensis or Seminotia chinensis family Seminotidaceae is obtained from the seeds of Seminotia chinensis by cold pressed method, not by distillation. Base oil by distillation, cold press method. The jojoba oil contain eicosanoic acid, docosahexaenoic acid and oleic acid. Jojoba oil is used as an revitalizing agent for hair. So you should know this all important plants, and this is hibiscus gurgal or gurhal, you can say hibiscus rosacea sinensis, family Malvaceae, and this is the leaf and the nuts of jojoba. Cold press in the liquid produces the seeds of the Somondysia chinensis plant, a herb which is native to southern Arizona, that is southern California, and northern western Mexico. So this oil makes up approximately 50% of jojoba seeds by weight. So you have to see basil. As I told, it's a leaf or little slightly different from mentha preparata, but looks like similar variety. Basil also. Great basil is an culinary herb of family Lamiaceae, mints. Basil is native to tropical region for Central Africa to Southeast Asia. Methi. Methi is Trigonella phonium, Graecum, family Fabaceae, is obtained from dried ripe seeds of Trigonella phonumbracium or phonumbracium gracium. Methi contains essential amino acids, protein, starch, sugar, mucilage, mineral matters, volatile oil, fixed oil, vitamins and enzymes. Methi is used as hair care agent. Rose oil, interesting rose oil which you are using for many purpose. Rose oil, Rosa damascena, family Rosaceae. It obtained from the fresh petals of Rosa damascenae by hydro steam distillation technique. Hydro steam distillation technique. Rose oil contain citronellol, geraniol, lenolul, caffeine, eugenol, and pinene. Rose oil is used in hair. We might be known about only for a perfume. It is used for hair care product. Sage oil, Salvia officinalis Linn family Labiatae, is obtained from dried leaves of Salvia officinalis Linn by steam distillation technique. The sage oil contains alpha-pinene, cineol, linaloyl acetate, borneol and camphor. The sage oil is used as an anti-dandruff agent. So this is about sage oil. This is the flowers, Sage officinalis Linn family Labiatae. Now the last session of today's class is about oral hygiene product in cosmetology. Bad oral health leads to various ailments like dental caries, inflammation and gingivitis, thrush, bad breath, soreness and toothache are conditions that plague in the mouth. A dark scarring, dark dirts, coloring. Hereby we improve, relieve and eliminate these problems. Herbal cosmetics include various preparations like, various preparations are there. Dentifrice, mouthwashes, toothpaste, tooth gel, cosmetics for teeth, mouthwashes and general cosmetics for whitening, shining. These all can be cover, caps. There are many available. Some of the important examples for raw materials of herbal origin used for oral care products are clove, Syzygium aromaticum. Previously it was, now also it can be called as Eugenia caryophyllus, family Myrtaceae. Clove, very common crude drug which we are using in our food. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil, not tea. This is tea tree oil, different. Melallica alternifolia, German chamomile, coconut water, Cocos nucifera, nucifera, green tea, Camellia sinensis, Tulsi, Ocimum sancticum or sanctum, Tripula churnam, tripula powder, which has 3 ingredients, 3 plants are there. It's also used in dental care products. Marigold, Calendula officinalis, coming again this plant. Garlic, Allium sativum, aloe vera we might have seen, aloe borbidans we have seen, aloe arborescens, species, many species are available. Neem, Asafoetida indica. Turmeric, Cucumber longa or Curcuma longa. Grapeseed extracts. The same thing we want to explain in a short, brief manner, one. When we talk about this clove, Schizogenium, about the oil cells. Schizogenium aromaticum or Eugenia caryophyllus belongs to the family Myrtaceae. Clove consists of essential oil, eugenol and beta caryophyllene. It has analgesic, antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant property. So essential oil obtained from clove used as a breath freshener. It has been used to relieve toothache. It is actually periodontitis. Periodontitis means losing of teeth by starting from the gingivitis. You can see the procedure. I have seen a picture also I have shown about periodontitis means. As an and also it can be used as an anesthetic and also treatment of bleeding the gums in gingivitis. There are many products, mouthwashes. Clove gel is used as an alternative to benzocaine, a local anesthetic for tropical anesthesia by dentists. It is present in tinctures, lozenges and mouthwashes. It's available in the market in various products. Tea tree oil. The botanical source is Melallica alternifolia. It has antiseptic, antifungal, non-irritant properties and also used as a mild solvent. The major active component is terpenine 4-ol. This is the plant. Interesting flower. Melallica alternifolia, commonly known as tea tree, is a species of tree or a tall shrub. And the myrtle or myrtle family, Myrtaceae. How clove is also belongs to Myrtaceae. Volatile oil present. Pure tea tree. Serums, oils are available. Terpene 4-ol is present. Tea tree oil has been used to destroy microorganisms in the mouth before dental surgery, removal of smear, smear layer when used as a root canal irrigant to remove that and to relieve mouth soreness caused by various dental procedures. German chamomile, it's a garden plant. It will be present in our home. It has an anti-inflammatory activity, analgesic, antimicrobial, antispasmodic and sedative properties. Starting of gingivitis, the picture which shows the redness of the gums and gingivitis, ulcers in the mouth and periodontal disease, loosening of the teeth will take place, the last stage of the gingivitis. Chamomile is generally taken as a tea or as a liquid extract. It is used in gingivitis, periodontal disease and in ulcers as a mouthwash. Coconut water, Coccus nucifera, root canal irrigant. It can be used, it is used as a root canal irrigant. As it is it has antiviral, antifungal and antimicrobial properties and also used as a storage media of owl's teeth. Owl's teeth means removal of teeth, and owl's teeth, the final stage, the owl's teeth is the permanent tooth that has been completely knocked out from its socket as shown here. Come out, removed out due to periodontal diseases. Green tea, Camellia sinensis. The green tea contains polyphenol like catechin, epicatechin, gallocatechin, epigallocatechin, epicatechin gallate, that is ECG, and epigallocatechin gallate. So these all are very much useful in periodontitis. Periodontitis is a teeth completely it will be removed, starting by gingivitis. It has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and antiviral property that green tea is used in the treatment of periodontal diseases. You see the periodontal disease, healthy gums, the gums are not swollen. Gingivitis, redness of the gum, started swelling. Periodontitis, the teeth will become scrapped, eroded, and finally it will be removed. Advanced periodontitis, you can see that picture how it is shown. Tulsi, Osimum sanctum. You will know the flower and know the plant very well. Every home in our place it will be available. It's a spiritual and traditional plant which will be present in every home. It has anthelmintic, analgesic, antipyretic, immune stimulatory, anti-ulcer, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory properties. This is just a picture to show you the gingivitis, and this is about periodontitis. It is used in periodontitis. Triphala powder or Triphala Surnam. Try. Triphala Surnam or Triphala. Triphala or Triphala is a powder containing Amelaki, Haritaki, Bapitaki. Amelaki, Haritaki, Bapitaki. Amelaki means Amla. Haritaki is about Kadukai, that means also terminalia. And Bapitaki also another hard shell of the seed. It contains ascorbic acid, thymine, riboflavin and niacin. It is antioxidant, antimicrobial. It is used in dental caries, bleeding and ulcerated gums. Tripula has free radical scavenging property, so helps in the protection of gum cells from free radical produced by the microorganism. Amalaki, the first one, Amalaki, Haritaki, Bapitaki. Amalaki is amla, Haritaki is myrobalan, that is Terminalia chabula, commonly known as black or chabulic myrobalan, in the species of Terminalia, native of South Asia, from India and Nepal, east to southwest China, and south to Sri Lanka, Malaysia and Vietnam. In Malayalam it is called Kaduka. In Tamil it is called Kadukai. Babitaki or Bipitaki is Thandikai in Tamil. In Malayalam it is called Thani or Thanika. Terminalia biliaca, known as Behera or Balearic or bastard myrobalan, is a large deciduous tree common on plains and lower hills in Southeast Asia. Marigold, Calendula officinalis, it is used for healing after oral surgery and oral cavity inflammation. It has also anti-endematous activity. Endematous gingiva, redness, endematous gingivitis. You can see the swelling downwards. Oral cavity inflammation can also be treated by means of marigold. It has the very good oral healing effect. Garlic, Allium sativum, when held in the mouth for 5 minutes, it sterilizes the mouth cavity as it has a strong antibacterial activity. Aloe arborescens, Mill. It has a strong immune modulating and healing properties. It's analgesic, antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, antioxidant, immune modulating, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory property, helps in oral care. Aloe vera is used in the sites of periodontal surgery, toothpick injuries, chemical burns, gum abscess and gingival problems. Neem, Asridachta indica, the twins and uses of the toothbrush, the olden days, the stems have been used for brushing, the bark and the healing gum disease, the oil for soap and the leaves for medicine. Neem is used preventing and healing gum diseases and dental problems. Turmeric, Curcuma longa. Turmeric contains volatile oil which is composed of number of monoterpenes and sesquiterpenes including gingiberine, curcumin, alpha and beta turmeron. It is an anti-mutagenic, anti-carcinogenic, antioxidant, antibacterial, and used in dental caries, oral lichens, planus, gingivitis, halitosis, pit, and fissure sealant, dental plague, detection system, massage and aging tooth with grounded powdered turmeric eliminates pain and swelling. Grapeseed extract. Grapeseed extract contains proanthocyanidins, which are potent antioxidants and possesses anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and immune stimulating effect. It has remineralizing effects or on artificial root caries. Thank you. It's little lengthy with a question paper we have discussed. Listen to the class, write down and submit to my office. It's not only for the 6th semester, it's useful for the research students what they are working in cosmetics. A simple brief idea. Most of them are repeated plants, repeated leaves, repeated herbs we have discussed. For the 3, dental care, skin care, hair care, and many other things are there, but still these are the 3 things most of the time we concentrate. So kindly just listen to the class and write down and submit. Again, I repeatedly ask you, kindly subscribe my channel. It will be useful for you. When I get a new class, it will be denoted for you. May be useful for a general idea. Thank you.